Hey guys, so in this video we are going to see how to install Java JDK on our Windows 11 system. Alright, so there are different versions of Java out there, but we're going to see how to install Java JDK 8 in this video because that is the most stable version of Java right now. So you can also download different versions of Java, the latest version of Java using the steps that we're going to do right now. But I prefer to download Java JDK 8. So even before starting with the downloading or the installing part, the first thing that you have to do is check if Java is already installed on your system or not. So just search for cmd, that is command prompt, right? And here you will have to type this single line command, that is java slash dash version, right? If you check this, it says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, which basically means that Java is not installed on our system. So now let's go back to our browser, and here I search for Java JDK, right? So I'll just search for Java JDK and you can see the first link that has appeared over here. So you can see there are two versions that are available right now, which is Java 19 and 17. If you want to download that, it is very simple. You can just go on this link and you can see here is an option for Windows, and you can just download the installer, right? Not the compressed archive or the MSI installer, just the installer, right? You can install this, but we're going to see how to install Java JDK 8. So I'll search for Java JDK 8 specifically because this is the most stable one, and this is the first link that I get. I'll mention this link in the description, okay? But watch the video till the end because you have to do some steps for Java to be installed successfully, right? Don't just skip the video here because you've gotten the link in the description. Okay, so here, depending on what your PC is, either 64-bit or 32-bit, you can decide which version to download. Okay, now if you don't know which version your PC is, you can just search for my PC over here, and you can see Windows specification appears over here. So you can just click on that, and after clicking on that, you can see over here, if you check out system type, so it says 64-bit operating system, which is x64, right? And if you search for this on your own PC, you can find out which operating system you're using. Okay, so I'm using 64-bit, so I'll install the 64-bit installer. So I'll just click on this download button. Okay, I'll just accept this and I'll click on download. Alright, now to download, you have to log in into your Oracle account. If you guys have an Oracle account, it's good. If you don't have an Oracle account, create your Oracle account. Don't worry, you don't have to buy Java, or don't have to do anything. You just have to install it. So just input your details, create an account, and after that we'll move on to the next step. So I'll just fill it all my details and I'll meet you after the sign in page is complete. Alright, so I've completed my sign in. I'll just click on the download button, and you might see a different page, but this is the page that I'm getting. So you can see a different page as soon as you create an account or sign in, you can see the download has started. So we'll just wait for the download. I'll fast forward this part. We'll wait for the download to be completed and I'll then show the next steps. So hang on, I'll just skip past this part. Alright, so download has completed. So I'll just switch on to the downloads folder, and here you can see that Java has been downloaded. So I'll just double tap on it to start the installation. Here you'll see a pop-up that asks you if you want to allow. So just click on yes. It will start our installation of Java. You can see now it says this is a setup file that we have. So right, just click on next and leave this default as it is. Just remember this is where we are installing Java. All right, so this is the path on which we are installing Java. Let's click on next, and now our installation will start. You don't have to do anything right now. Let's complete it on its own. Okay, so now it says we'll just click on OK here. That's, we don't want to change the destination folder, so we'll just click on next, and now you can see that it is installing Java. All right, so now we'll just wait till the installation is completed and then we'll do the next steps. Now you can see that our Java 8 installation has been completed, so we'll just close this. Now the next thing that you have to do is if you remember the path where our Java file was stored, right? So we'll go to this PC, we'll go to Windows C drive, then we'll go to program files, and here we have Java, right? Now there are two things here, JDK and JRE. So JDK is Java Development Kit and JRE is Java Runtime Environment. So we don't have to do anything over here right now. So we'll just go into JDK and we'll go into the bin folder. And what I want you to do is I want you to copy this file path that is there, because we have to add Java into our environment variables, right? So just copy this path for now on, and here search for environment variables or environment variables, and here you can see this option called as environment variables. So just click on that. All right, now here you can see user variables and system variables. So what you have to do is you have to do it this way. So I'll just delete it. I've added it before, so I'll just delete it, and I'll create, you go into system variables and create a new one, and the name will be Java underscore home, and the variable value will be the value that you have copied. Okay, this bin part, just paste it here, click on OK, and click on OK over here as well, and click on OK and close this. Now again go back to our command prompt and let's check with the same Java dash version command if Java has been installed or not. So just click on enter, and now you can see Java version 1.8 has been installed. 1.8 means Java JDK 8. Alright, just 1.8 is added. We don't say it 1.8 while saying it, we say Java JDK 8. Alright, and even Java runtime environment has also been added. Alright guys, so this was it. So make sure that if you are running this command on CMD, that is Java version, and you're not seeing the result that you want to see, so basically that happens because you have not added it to the path. So make sure that the last step that we did, you do it if you're not getting any result while typing Java dash version. All right, so that was it for this video. Hope you guys understood how to install Java on your Windows PC. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.